A little unboxing video. This is the HJC i30 helmet. It's definitely not new to the market. These have been around a long time. Plenty of reviews on them. I decided, it's very hot over here in the Netherlands at the moment, and I just decided I wanted a bit more of a cooler helmet for the summer. So for the price, I chose this. As you can see, so went with a bit of a grey colour. Go with my bike. How sad is that? And it's sort of like a jet style helmet with an integrated sun visor inside. And I've never actually had sort of like a half-faced helmet before, but I like the idea of the fact that the wind can come up and keep me cool, or a little bit cooler. Now I've tried these on in the shops and they do come up small in my opinion. I'm a medium in every other helmet, shoey, you know, everything really. I'm a medium. But what I've noticed recently is that certainly in the 10 years, in my opinion, the Arai helmets have changed shape, and they no longer really are comfortable for me. And I'm finding it difficult to find a helmet that is comfortable. But recently I tried on a lot of these HJC helmets and they're very comfortable. They seem to get very good reviews, so I thought they're about 150 euros, a plain colour, 150 euros, it's about 180 euros. That's it. A lot of simple clip, needs adjusting a little bit, it's too loose. Covers my whole face and covers my eyes properly, the shield. So what better for the summer? I think what a great bit of kit, and for such a small price. I'm not sure if I want to have a high-speed collision in it, but as I say, they've had good reviews, so we'll give it a try. And once I've been riding it for a while, I'll give my opinion. Thanks for watching, and thanks for viewing my videos. Have a great day.